Hi everyone, and welcome back to day 14 of our Vlogmas. And here are some of the blocks that we have made so far. And today we are making the big O block. So it has a partial seam that we need to make at the beginning in order to go ahead and sew a first full circle around that center block, but it's nothing we can't handle. So let's go ahead to the cutting instructions. Let me tell you what the size blocks that we're dealing with, and then we'll go ahead and make it. All right, for the big O block, we need 5 squares that are 4.5 inches and 4 rectangles that are 4.5 by 8.5 inches. What we're going to be doing is we're going to take one of our squares and we are going to snowball this corner. So we are going to create this block 4 times. It's going to look like that. After we get to that point, I'm going to stop, come back to the video, and show you how to assemble this block, because we have a partial seam that we need to start, and then we can sew some of the blocks together, or sew the block together. All right, so we have 4 of these units made. We have our last 4.5 inch square, and we are going to surround this square like this. Okay. And now we can start sewing this block together. I'm going to start sewing here and finish sewing across the seam so that I can have this long edge. Once I have this long edge, I can then add this block, press it out, then I can add this block, press it out, this block, press it out, and then I can come back and I'll finish this seam going across. Okay, so let me show you. All right, so I'm just gonna sew from this end till about, I'm an inch away from the end. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna press it towards the dark. You see, it's not all the way, but it gives us this long seam so that I can go ahead, line this up. We'll go ahead and sew it down. We're gonna press this back. I'm just gonna finger press it at the moment. We'll iron it all out later. I'm gonna add this piece. Okay. And then we're gonna put this last side on. Right. Doing good. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and finish this seam. So it should line right up. I'm gonna make sure that this bigger piece is on the bottom so that I can watch the seam, make sure it doesn't flip. And there we go. All right, let's go ahead and press it out. Oh my, oh my. There's our block. And there she is, the big O block. I love that I used this fabric. It really speaks to me. So it's such a winter wonderland fabric. Like, it's just adorable. I absolutely love it. My blessings for today is for my grandparents and the ones who have poured into me throughout my days. have taught me lessons, and just listening to those conversations of me maybe venting to them and giving me feedback and all of that stuff. So I really do appreciate my grandparents for doing that. When I was born, fun fact, I had 13 grandparents that were alive. I know. From both sides of the family. I had great grandparents, or great grandparents on both sides. And yeah, it was amazing that I was able to have them for that long. And yeah, now I'm down to one, and I love my grandpa. So I can't wait. I got to send him a little Christmas card with my little family shot. So we'll do that this week, even though we're so close to Christmas, but it's okay. He'll get it and he'll love it. So have a wonderful day. Be tuned in, ready to go for block 15 tomorrow. I can't believe we are halfway through this challenge. I'm looking at my fabric and going, oh, can I squeeze another 15 out? And I don't think I can, but we're gonna see how far we can go. I want to at least do 9 more. That would be an amazing quilt, a 4x6 with some sashing in between, and we can fancy that up too. So to break up all of this wonderful good stuff, maybe even put it on point. Who knows? We'll have to see. Everything's just up in the air, but we'll see how it flows when we get there. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you on our next video. Bye.